Working on this unit of a Harley Davidson today. It's a 07, 08 softail. I say that very sparingly because I have no idea what Harley Davidsons are. Anyways, long story short, needed a starter, replaced the starter. I tested the old starter that's here in the box. And she worked. So I was like, Dad and I were talking, and it's like, yeah, I think it's a fob, right? And I was like, yeah, it does. And he's like, yeah, I bet you, it was my dad's friend. He's like, yeah, I bet you Billy there, he didn't change it. Like the battery in the fob. And I was like, yeah, I bet you that's the problem. So I put the new starter in anyways. Put it all back together. It was all back together. Never touched a bike in my life. But here we are, learning how to work on motorcycles. And all it was a 2032 little round battery in the key fob. So anyways, take this as you will. If you're having Harley Davidson problems and it won't start, then check your battery and your key fob.